Stars Learning TV.
Hello there, little racers. Are you ready for the biggest, bounciest, noisiest adventure ever today? We're going monster truck crazy. Monster trucks are not just big. They're huge. They jump, they flip, they crash through cars, and they do amazing tricks. And guess what? You are going to ride along on this monster journey. Get ready to jump, stomp, count, and roar and learn all about the coolest.
What is a monster truck? A monster truck is a super-sized vehicle with tires as tall as drawn up. Engines louder than a lion and powers like a superhero. They can drive over cars, mud, and even fly through the air. Some tires are taller than you. Did you know? Monster trucks' tires can be up to 66 inches tall. That's taller than most grown up. Wow, that was super cool. Get ready for more monster truck fun. Meet the monster trucks. Bigfoot. The first monster truck ever. He is strong and blue, loves to bounce. Grave digger. Creepy and cool with spooky flames and green lightning. This one loves big jump. Max D. Wild and shiny, he flips, spins, and makes the crowd go. El Toro Loco. A charging bull on wheels. Watch out for those horns. Monster Mutt. With floppy ears and a wagging tail, this doggy truck is ready to roll. Zombie Splash. It's a creepy fun with arms sticking out. Wow, that was super cool. Get ready for more monster truck fun. Parts of a monster truck. Engine. Monster trucks use supercharged engines up to 1500 horsepower. Tires. Huge and bouncy, they help the truck rush and jump. Suspension system. Keeps the ride smooth even when they land from high jumps. Chassis. It is the frame that holds everything together. Door. The monster truck's door is super strong. It opens like a gate to a giant's ride. Wow, that was super cool. Get ready for more monster truck fun! Monster truck tricks and stunts. Sky jumps, leaping over buses, ramps, and more. Donuts, spinning round and round like a twister. Wheelies, riding on two back wheels. Wow, that was super cool! Get ready for more monster truck fun! Monster truck races. Did you know monster truck loves to race? In monster truck competition, two trucks race side by side to finish the line. They race on dirt, tracks, over bumps, and even do tricks mid-race. Wow, that was super cool! Get ready for more monster truck fun! Monster truck wash time! After all that mud and mess, it's time to give our monster truck a super duper bubbly bath. Monster truck get covered in dirt, slime, and even popcorn during show. So they head to the special monster truck wash. First, a rinse with a giant hose. Then the soap comes in with spinning brushes. And finally a super shine polish. Now it's ready for a truck parade. Wow, that was super cool! Get ready for more monster truck fun! Monster truck party and dance. It's time to celebrate everything we have learned with the monster truck dance party. Let's do the tire spin, twist, the bumper hoop, and engine shake.
Great job, kids. To learn ABCs with all these amazing words. Keep practicing and singing along. See you next time.